God, I remember I had that instructor. He was amazing. Yes, we look at them as teachers, but definitely as mentors and older people that we seek advice from.
It was a safe space to ask questions and engage. And I think that that was probably the most valuable and important part of my experience in the Bacchus program.
All of my teachers I speak very highly of because I found that they were very talented in the trades and they were just well-rounded people as well.
I would say that the first highlight is the brilliant students that we attract from various countries trained in healthcare backgrounds such as nursing, dentistry, pharmacy, physiotherapy, etc.
The teachers and the profs, how it made you feel like a person and not just a number or tuition fee. You're actually a person, you matter, and you're important.
So interacting with those students is challenging and intellectual, and I enjoy that piece.
Just have a bit of confidence and not be afraid. A lot of things are new to people in the program, but the teachers there are the best in the business and they know what they're doing. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask them.
That's what he said. He's like, any questions, always gave room for questions. Is that clear? Does everybody understand?
We have 45 all-star faculty members from the healthcare industry. So not only is our curriculum current and excellent, but the team delivering it are exceptional people to learn from.
What really helped me throughout this process was all the professors and even my peers. They were able to help me understand the material.
There's so much experience in our program when it comes to from a leadership perspective.
I had a lot of good relationships with my professors, and so they were mentors to me throughout the years.
We wouldn't have the success that we would have without the professors that teach in the program.
When you have that shared mutual respect and that relationship building, community follows.
But by spending hours with teachers, you do get to know them quite closely.
And it really needs to be a genuine and authentic attempt to make it feel like a place where everyone belongs and that it's safe to share and learn together as a community.
One of our instructors specifically is very funny. We'd have music in the bay. We were at the end of the day, we do push-ups every day. And sometimes you do little dances on the floor or something. So just they don't feel like teachers. They feel like good friends or people who are there to teach you, but also have fun at the same time.
He kept us accountable, pretty accountable. Like deadlines were well known, well in advance, what was due, when, what needed to be done. So we were held very accountable, and it was on us to make sure that we were putting in as much effort as he was to make sure we could finish the semester.
Stay in touch with your teacher and your classmates. They have the answers for anything that you may be struggling with.
The teachers make it interesting to learn. There's hands-on application. You just need to show up on time, be attentive, and give it your best effort.